is about 60 feet wide. A beautiful facility here tonight at Dragway 42, OSTPA Midsummer Showdown. You guys ready to go? Come on, let's go pulling the Black Diamond. Looks like he broke a blower belt. We need a tow tractor on the way. Tow tractor on the way. Let's keep things moving. Chevy fans, here comes Fantasy. Oh man, looks like we had another blower belt. Wow! Tough break for Fantasy, our defending champion on the 72 Chevy. And there's a good run. Come on, Dodge Ram fans, the Maverick, Bob Millican. LGC starting line, Kerry Unger, 2018 Rookie of the Year, overtime. A good run, ladies and gentlemen. Got a good sled setting here in Class 1 by the Trackball Sport. Swanson from the Ohio State Tractor Pullers, fully justified. Tough luck, we need a tow tractor on the way. Tow tractor on the way, please. And that's gonna do it for Diggin Deep, sponsored by Beheler Excavating, Dustin Beheler. Tough one, not gonna be a good run tonight for Dirt Donkey. Man, I thought he had a Man, I tell you what, give him a hand, folks. He is underpowered tonight, and he made a heck of a run. Very good run for Diego, the Tasmanian Devil. Good run for Harmon Zink out of Batavia, Ohio. The live wire. Man, good run for Steve Parker. Steve on the right side of the Mack trailer pulling track. markers.